Hello children, today we will study lesson number 2 in English literature. Annual lesson 2 is poem Madhobi, the Young Spring Flower, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was a famous Bengali poet. He wrote many poems in Bengali language, which has been translated by many of the poet and poetess. The poem The Spring Flower is written by him and it is translated by Anandamayi Majumdar. Now, Rabindranath Tagore, he reshaped the Bengali music, Bengali literature and Bengali art. Rabindranath Tagore he modernized the Bengali culture into the new version, and he was the first non-European to get the Nobel Prize. Now let us begin the poem.
The poem Madhobi, the Young Spring Flower is based around a rare flower that only grows for a short duration and then it dies. It is a very beautiful flower. Madhobi, the young spring flower, is in a rush to leave. As soon as it arrives, in a sudden wave of splendor, no, cry out the leaves, whispering protest. The stars in the heavens exclaim, won't you hurry along? You need so. Now see the summary of the poem. The first line says, Madhobi, the young spring flower, is in rush to leave. This means this is a flower that blooms in the spring season. And the second line is in a rush to leave as soon as it arrives. This means that this flower is in hurry to die as soon as it arrives. That is, as soon as it blooms, it is in hurry to die. In a sudden wave of splendor. This line means when the flower blooms, this flower blooms in a rows of bunches and then it looks very beautiful. After seeing the flower, the leaves cry out and then they doesn't allow the flower to go. This means they doesn't allow the flower to die. This shows that they love the flower too much and then they cry or they shout that, oh dear flower, you don't leave us, you don't go. So this is the meaning of no, cry out the leaves, whispering protest. The stars in the heavens exclaim, won't you hurry along? We need you so. Now see the meaning of this. The stars in the heavens exclaim. Now, the stars that is in the heaven, they angrily shouted on the flower. And then they said, oh dear flower, you please leave them and come with us. We need you. This means that now this is the time for the flower to die. And that's why the stars and the sky, they all are calling the flower to die. But the leaves encircle the blossom and plead, do not leave. Students, this line indicates that all the leaves encircling the blooming flower and they are begging. The meaning of plead is beg. They are begging the flower not to leave them. So all the leaves are encircling the flower and begging them not to leave us. Next lines. The southern breeze blows past and murmurs, come with me, little one. All of a sudden, the breeze from the south side, that is a southern breeze, it blows and then the breeze murmurs into the ears of the flower. That is, the breeze speaks in a very low voice in the ears of the flower. And then they said, Oh dear flower, now it is a time to die. You come with us. Far away, the infinite blue sink into the twilight. The night of the full moon recedes. No time left for us, my dear. Now, the winds says, far away the infinite blue sink into the twilight. That is, the sun has already gone down and the blue night has become very dark. Although it is a full moonlight, but still now it is a time to leave everyone and to die. There is no time left for us. That is, we have no time now. It is a time for us to die. No, please no, whisper the dancing leaves. Now again, the leaves are crying and then they are speaking, they are saying, that is, oh dear flower, you please don't go. As the young throng around the disappearing flower and they all encircle the flower as if they do not want the flower to die. So they all are keeping and protecting the flower and protesting them not to die. Thank you. 6 lines once again. Far away the infinite blue sink into the twilight. This line indicates that the sun has gone down into the blue and it is night time now. Note the night of the full moon recedes. This means that it is a full moon light. So the 2 line shows that now the sun has already gone and it is a time for dark night. No time left for us, my dear. Now there is no time for us to be alive. No, no, please no, whisper the dancing leaves. This line indicates that leaves are whispering, leaves are crying, and then they are saying, no, no, please, oh dear flower, you don't go. As they throng around the disappearing flower and they all are encircling the flower as if they are protecting the flower and they are not allowing the flower to go. Now see word meanings, children. First is spring flower. The meaning of spring flower is the flower that blooms during the spring season. Now see children, I am dictating the word meaning and you take out one pen and copy and you please write down the words along with the meaning. Clear? Now you please take it out and then start writing. Like the first word is young spring flower. And the meaning is the flower that blooms during spring season. Okay. Next, rush. Meaning is hurry. Then word is splendor, in a sudden wave of splendor. And the meaning of splendor is very impressive beauty. You write down the meaning of splendor, very impressive beauty. Then come protest. The meaning of protest is doesn't allow to go. Okay. Now, next is exclaim. Write down. Exclaim means to say something in a sudden and loud voice, in an angry manner. So you can write down to say something suddenly and loudly or in angry manner. Again I am repeating, to say something suddenly and loudly in angry. Clear? Next, breeze. I think so you all know about the breeze. It's a soft and gentle wind. Then murmurs. Again, murmurs means whispering or to say something in a very low voice. in a very low tone. Clear? Then we come to, then it is okay now. So all the tough words I have given you. Now see children, what you have to do? You all have to listen me carefully, whatever I have read in the book, and you have to note down the word meaning, and then you please read the summary and read the poem and listen the summary carefully, and then try to write it in your own words. Clear? Now this is all for today. Next we will do in the next video.